Everybody, welcome to Miss T's Ideas. Today I'm working in my glue book, and my love is junk journaling, glue booking, and that's what I like to do. Today I'm working in my glue book, and I had some snack bags. You see, I like snacks. Evidently, I like the snacks, and I have to get rid of those snack bags, so I'm going to glue them in my glue book. I started on it because I don't want the video to be too long. And thank you for being here. If you like what you see on this channel, please give me a like in the comments. And if you really like it and you think you might come back, hit the subscribe. And I'd appreciate it very much. I'm not going to talk that much. I'm just going to glue. If you have something to glue, get your glue out. Get your glue out in your composition notebook or tablets and paper, whatever, and let's glue together. It's very relaxing. Good therapy. Okay. I got this right here. Gotta pull out the big guns for the aluminum paper. This is fabric fix. If you watch my other videos, you'll see that I do pretty much anything. When you say junk journal, I use junk. I make stuff do what it do. Check out my videos and you'll see. I do this because it is good therapy. These chips here came from Dollar Tree, and they are good. See, I'm trying to eat a little healthy look. Oh, notice all the chip back. Don't even look at it. It says gluten. You can see it. Gluten-free. I don't even know what that is. But anywho, I got some candy right here, though. Off to the side. My bone folder and smooth it out. Let's see here. Let's see, no, I can't cover up that. I'm gonna cut this. And this also came from the Dollar Tree, and it's good. They really are. There's some kettle chips. Where my dryer? Well, it clothes drying in the back. You know, life goes on. We can't just play all the time. I love to play this stuff. I'm sitting down by myself. This is so relaxing. Now, you'd be surprised how we, as humans, we forget to breathe. I've heard that all my life. Breathe. Breathe. I mean, doing exercise, make sure you breathe. Don't forget to breathe. That's a true thing. That's a true thing. You know, you just forget to breathe. I mean, not that you're going to the light or anything, but, you know, we need that good oxygen in our blood. We forget to breathe. Okay. No, something for this, because I still have some. I still have the big gun. And I save these bags. I don't, you know, I didn't need this one all at one time now. How am I going to put it? Something fell. And I did clean the bags out. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Ooh. Oh. This fabric fixes awesome. Awesome. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we got going on. Let's see what we got going on. Let's see. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. Got my ginger snaps. Let's see. Okay, now I have this. That's a little spot right there. Kettle brand. I think I'm gonna use the kettle and the brand. Or the crinkle crunch. Or the crunch crunch. Crunch crunch. Crunch 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 crunch. If you know something about Kettle Crunch from the Dollar Tree, let me know. The pickle, or the dill pickle, just put a thumbs up in the chat. Thumb up the chat. Let me know if you like it. Okay, I think I'm gonna... I can't cover up the ginger. Snap now. I can't do them like that. I can't do them like that. Oh. Guess I'll put it down here. Oh, I guess. Take this. This is pretty fast, you know. This is pretty fast and easy. I usually do looking at this with magazine pieces, or you can glue whatever. The first name of it is glue. Glue book. Glue whatever you want in that book. Okay. Pick it up, see if you see it. Got it right there. I think it looks pretty good. Oh. Did I get... Yep. I got the Cheetos bag. See, this is the back of the bag, so it's scaring me. And I have one more, but I don't really need it. So, I'm gonna let it make it. Just gotta make sure that these Doritos here. Doritos is Doritoing. Maybe I could put border at the bottom of the page. Maybe. But I'll do that off camera. Well, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. I appreciate it so much that you stopped by and take a look at what I'm doing. And I appreciate it. Hey, if you like it, if you like seeing what I do, because I do a lot of stuff, hit the like button so you can get my videos. And if you really like it, hit the subscribe. I am Miss T's Ideas, and I'll see you next time on another video. Check out my shorts, too. My shorts. Bye-bye.